Good morning, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin with the pre-market analysis for today, the 3rd of December 2013. You're watching the daily chart. We have right now a higher low activated in this area, more specific 1117.80, $1,117 and with 80 pence. That's the entrance. Two things can happen. Definitely it's a higher low, it's a daily chart. It's possible that it goes through. It is possible that the higher low or this particular pattern develops to 100% and we can have historical new highs, and the sky will be the limit in case we penetrate this particular major resistance. However, because of what we see so far on the weekly chart, two things can happen. Like I said before, this higher low can develop and they can go through and it can break up and it can give us new historical highs, and everybody will be very happy and excited. Or the other case scenario is because of the overextended trend, this higher low might fail to develop and it creates a higher low failure, which at this point could develop a new correction and we put us back once again into the $1,000 area. This situation at the moment hasn't been developed 100%. Obviously we have a correction that it hasn't happened yet on the weekly chart. We need something more clear in that sense, but so far buyers are trying to take control of the currency once again. Sellers trying to consolidate and try to push the price always to lower levels. Like I said before, this particular higher low in the daily chart can give us a new historical highs, and it's possible that it develops. However, if that doesn't happen, we might see this green turns into red, and tomorrow we might see again, in case that this doesn't happen, this higher low failure can end up developing a new correction and we might back once again to this particular support. What it concerns right now in terms of intraday analysis and situations or opportunities that we see so far, the 240-minute chart, it's overextended. Too many candles right now showing us this particular situation. Especially it's more obvious on the 60-minute chart, not so much on the 240-minute chart. But one thing that we saw today and after yesterday's market is after this particular downtrend, the currency was trying to develop a new lower high. It failed on doing that and it started pushing itself up once again and trying to deny this particular pivot, which it managed to do it. It was the previous highs on this particular pivot was 1,115. We already broke that way far. It's 11.43 right now, and we might see this trend once again pushing itself up to this resistance. If that doesn't happen, we might see failures on the small time frames that will tell us that it's possible to go a little bit more lower than usual. Probably we're back once again to the 1,000 area. This is the 60-minute chart. This is the one I was telling you that we see it, that is overextended on candles and also on movement. Look what's happening. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 7th green candlestick. We, by Fibonacci sequences, we expecting a new change on the behavior of the formations of these patterns. So keep an eye on it. If this happens, we might see once again a higher low trying to build itself up, but it might fail and it pushes back again to this particular support. Keep watching. I'm Lucano. This is Mundobitcoin. Have a great day trading. See you around. Goodbye.